Hello, it's Evgeny. I bought new microphone, so I hope it will be much easier to hear me. And so let's go further. I moved from backend to the front end very fast. I want to do one small thing here and move to the backend and then proceed further down the structure towards the front end. But first I want to do small thing on the front end. So let's clean it up. First of all, so we don't have this Vita plus React plus count. We don't need anything of this. Just empty field to play with. Oop. That's not that one. Okay. So clean up React client. I will be thinking here lots of, so we'll be pausing, going back and forward and so on. Yes, I understand right now it's easy thing, but I still don't want to break anything. So I will first clear this out. It's image, we don't need that always, we don't need it. We don't need count to, so use state from React logger. We don't need React logger. Assets, we need to go to assets. I'm going to delete this React logger, we don't need it. Yes, sorry if you can hear, my computer is struggling on the background. Let's remove return completely for right now. Let's this. Still wants React logo. Yeah, because it's trying to export. Vita logo also don't need it. It's, where is it? Vita SVG. It's somewhere here on the surface. On the first surface? What? Vita logo from Vita SVG. Why I don't see Vita? It's an absolute pass. But I still. It's right on the top. Distribution public. Here we go. We don't need it. Use state. It's declared, but it's really never read. We were going to also comment it out. So no errors right now. App. It's trying to do app here. App can be used in as a G6 components type void. Yeah, because it doesn't return right now nothing. But if we do return, let's do it right now. No. it still will be arguing with this. No, it doesn't. Okay. Okay, fine. Now let's look at the index. HTML, yes, yes. With SVG, we don't need that. Report. Okay. We will look it up later on ESLint because it's kind of important for us, but not right now. So main is clean, CSS is not clean, app CSS is not clean. Hey, hello. Anti-root, we don't need nothing of this. Sorry, you can hear my coughing very good right now. I guess. Okay. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to obsolete all of that for right now. I don't want to completely remove at this time. I'll remove it later on. Okay, nothing is broke. It can't find favicon. Which is fine. It's lots of times doing this. Okay, so public node models distribution, it's clean now. So we're ready to move. So now let's, normally in index HTML I would set up some important like div class header, something like mist, header like this, but that's React, and then I will well, and that's React, so we'll do it differently. We will leave it in peace. We're going to create new folder. We're going to create whoa. In sources, we're going to create where new folder. I'm going to call it companions. In companions, we're going to create new folder. I'm going to call it header. In header, we're going to create 3 files. Types, .ts, let's do one more thing. Let's create one more folder so it will be easier to see its hierarchy. It will be footer. So now I see its hierarchy. Okay, so types, I'm going to create new file, header t6, and we're going to create new file index ts. sorry. Okay, in types, what we're going to do in types, we're going to do here interface. We're going to header props. Yeah, let's accept it. Title, subtitle. Let's accept it, but we don't need subtitle. Well, at least right now. So we're going to export it, namely header props. Why? But never use it. Oh, export. Export. Okay, that will be simple class for right now. I mean interface for right now. We're going to header interface. Header interface. We're going to React import here. React. React from React. React from React. What it doesn't like. But never read, never use it. Okay, I'm going to fix it. Okay, import that types. It's in the same folder. Types. What do we have here? Header props. Header props. What it says? Header is declared but never used, never read. Is a type and must be imported using type only import when type only import is enabled. What? It doesn't. It wants TS. Type and must be imported using a type only import. Type only import. Okay. Now React is is fighting me. It's like angry about. I don't care about this. I don't care about this. I'm thinking about this right now. Yeah, it was like saying right into face to me. It's a type, but I didn't notice it. Right, okay, now we're good. I'm very careful here because the way of React is new to me for right now. I think I adopted it very fast. So const, especially it tells me what to do often. except, so it's a header, so it's a const header. So we're creating header. It's supposed to be header props type from React library of types. It's supposed to move title here. Title moves title. But how does it know that it comes from here? Interesting. What if I do this? Header props. Would it be better? Okay. Suppose I'll do that. Do I write sound or not? My sound, you can hear me, right? Yep. You can see, you can hear me. Do, 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 do. T6. So now we're closing this. Oh, it doesn't like it. It doesn't like it. Header props is declared, but its value is never used. Okay. So return. That's what it advises me, right? What it doesn't like. Fast refresh only works when a type file has exports. Move your components to separate file. Yeah, that's what I was going for into index.ts. So I have to export it, but not namely, but by default. Export default header. So it's a default export here. And for me, that's much easier to read because because I understand that title, which is here, title is coming from, I understand it's coming from here. If I write this way, title, just a second, just a second, guys. So back to what I was thinking about. If I see title here, like that's simpler, and I understand that that's a type header. By the way, why doesn't let me think, why it doesn't return nothing, like doesn't define what it returns? It's normally like this. No, what you doing? Okay, let me think through this very quick. I'll come back with the answer. Okay, to be completionist, I'll do it this way. Header props. Oh, sorry. I don't know if I will be able to. I mean, if I'll forget about that, I sniffed. Sneezed, I mean. Okay. Header props. I don't see it. Oh, yeah, of course. Header props and title. And title, okay. And here we go with J6 element. Import from React. That looks clean, understandable, and easy to read. At least for me, it seems so. Okay. I'm going to do export. Will tell me what to do here. No, it doesn't want to tell me nothing. Okay. Now it does. Okay. Default from header G6. Just header. Default is header. Let's define it. Okay, and export type header props from types accept. And now import second import from header from components, and that would be a header, and that would be a header here. Declared, never read, never use it. Okay, it's fine. No, not right advice. Not right advice. We're going to create here like it was before. No. Just a second. We need our component, and it's going to be header and title. Okay. history project. What we'll see here. Okay, we have that. Now we need to give it CSS style. React CSS style. Like normally I would do here CSS like this down here, but I know that some people advise to use moduled CSS. So let me think for a second here, because it will be as I will set it up and I will use that way of doing things here around. So I need, it's a strategy. Okay. So I should be very careful here. We'll be jumping from file to file. That's going to be my CSS modeled one. CSS. That's for the header CSS. Let's import it. Accept. Okay, now that's going for the what you don't like. Failed to resolve import header CSS. Yeah. Right. Model CSS. Favicon components header. What it doesn't. Okay, it's all good now. Now that here, going to be for this. We have root here. We have root here. We actually don't need nothing here. For at least for right now. Index CSS is empty. Let's define it. Root. Okay, let's accept that for right now. It's a copy of this. I actually like that. Optimized legibility, text rendering, okay. Font synthesis, none, okay. Background color. What? No. That will be later coming back here. color also remove. Color scheme, light, dark. That we'll need later on. Font weight, line height. Let's leave system font family 2. Now font size, we need font size 62.5, 62.5. Interesting. Okay, 62.5%. Okay. Now we don't have here nothing like this. Okay, nothing like I want to do. No, they do, but they have. No, they don't. Yeah, it's telling me what I want. Now body. Margin 0. Sorry guys. No. I need margin 0. I need padding 0. That would be it. Sorry, you can speed up the. And I know it should be like easy setup for me, but remember I was always been in JavaScript, not React. Not that CSS is different for them, but still I see lots of stuff different for me. Root. They will have. What about here? What structure do we have? We have head, body. I don't like that my head out of body. I mean not mine, in the nodes. Okay. We have app. Let me pause it for a second. My goodness, it's a different. It's a head. It's a head. That's here normal header. My header here. That's one. So it's all good. Now we have root here. So That's where we're going to dance with my system already. FCSS. So did we do everything here? Font, box, margin padding, it's all good. Now we're going to dance with the root. Nothing like you are proposing to me max width 1280 pixels. What kind of dumb thing is that? I don't want to do this. Display, I'm going to use grid. Grid. Template columns. For right now it is going to be 1FR. Minimum height. 1 each. Yep, 1 each. Actually, I want also minimum width. 100%. Okay. So now our header. What class is that? I didn't give it a class. I just have a header. Header. Except I need to height. I need the height of 201 pixel. Display grid. Line items. Center. Justified content. Center. Color. I don't like color. While Wes insist. Mystery project. There's better color schemes. What is that name? Not like well, it will be black color. No, but 000, like really black color, and it's going to be background color Oh, what's the name was that? Something like salad. Oh, yeah, salmon. Here you go, salmon. But a little bit lighter. Okay, let's do salmon first. Ooh, it's too much. It's too much. Okay, let's go for white for right now. Then I'll look it up. Colors, nice colors. Actually, I don't like these names. I don't like this name, so we're going to use that. And that's just FFF. FFF. Like that. Or better yet, we're going to don't just sleep, guys. Wake up, wake up. Don't sleep, because I think my voice is going to make you sleepy. Okay, we're going to main. Where's the root? Where is the root? Root here. Primary color. Primary white color. That's going to be yeah, but we don't need all of them. 1, 2, 3 enough. Come on, do as I say. Primary. No, you don't want to help me? Yes, thank you. Thank you. You clever thing. Okay, now we're going in. That's now the question for me. Is it going to see it or not? Var. Primary. Yeah, it does see it. White color. And primary black color. That's how I use it in JavaScript. Variables. Okay. So far, let's show me border. Border. 1 pixel. Solid primary black color. Okay, that's good. That's header. In the header, we're going to have 2 components. H1 and oh, how it goes. and canvas. That's how it calls. Let's see. Yeah, it sees it. Canvas, but I want to give you a class. Class name. Yeah, it's class name. Header canvas. Okay. H1 and dot header. No, no title. Come on, you're not so dumb. Header. But you have it here. Why? Header canvas. Why you don't want to use it? Why you forgot about it? I'm talking to Visual Studio right now. You see? Talking to Visual Studio. No. Why it wants absolute position? So that one will have back shadow is good. It's good. Yeah, it's good omen, but I was not looking for box shadow. I was looking more for grid, template columns, and it's going to be 1 FR, and it's going to be 200 pixels. That will be it. So if we yes, but not yes. Yes, but not yes. 200 pixels. Justify content center. Why it doesn't start? Yeah, that's center, and that's center. Why you don't want to keep it in the center? Let's explore it. It does. That's our canvas. That's how, and it does. Okay. It's just that. Content. Display grid. Self justify. What the heck? Justify content items. Yes, that's what I was looking for. yes, and my computer is struggling right now. What's going on? It's probably heating. It was probably heating very much. Okay, header canvas. Margin right. Going to be 1. Why I'm using pixels? Really? I have to use 1 RAM. 1 RAM, and that's 20 RAMs. 20 RAMs. Honestly. Font size 2.4 RAM. Give me margin. You have to give me margin. Oh, come on. What's wrong with you? At last. Source. Empty cache. Favicon. Shorten Y. It doesn't want to listen to me right now. Oh my goodness, иди нафиг. Margin right. Ten RAM, let's do 10 RAM. Let's do background so you can see it clearly. Background color red. I'm gonna stack. Width. Yes, width. Accept and height. Accept. I don't want 180, I want 200 pixels. And I want 200 pixels. Still don't see it. Unbelievable. I say what? I say what? Header canvas. Header canvas. Class name. Header canvas. What? I say what? What is going on? And it's sitting right here. Background red. It's probably my computer is struggling very much. Let me make a pause very quick. It's probably because I'm not used to React. Yes, something is here. Types. I have title. Okay. Yeah. T6. I did header. It works. Okay. Header. Exported. Okay. class name. Okay, let me explore it further. Wait a second. Let's do one thing. Where's the header? Let's make it not canvas but simple div. Div. Maybe that was the issue. Okay. But it is here. Okay. Okay, I got it. Color. Okay. Import. Style. It's moduled style. So from class name. What? Okay. Style, and we have header canvas. Okay. Color red, color black. Okay. Margin right. This lock border. Give me all color. Okay, okay. Color. Color. Again. Now what's wrong with this? Margin right. Okay, okay, okay. Don't want to do margin. We're going to for padding. Padding. Right. 10 rem. Here we go. You don't know, you don't want one way, we make you the other way. Okay, margin right, we don't need it. Background color, leave it like this. Now let's make it back to canvas. Canvas. Let's remove letter A. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Model background. Let's return background color red. It's here. Now, what do people say? React and canvas. I'll make a pause. That will probably be my worst video because I've used so much to JavaScript plain coding that I forgetting about that we need to make components out of it, because we need to program there too. So we're going to do that. Canvas. New file. Canvas. .t6. Types dot ts and index dot ts. Okay, about types. So let's do this first. Export. From canvas. And then I need here. Default is canvas. I don't like it. Has no exported now. Ah, yeah, it doesn't have export right now. That's fine. Export. Yeah. That's what I want. Canvas props. Has no exported member canvas props. Types. What types are going to have? Export. Interface. Canvas props. It suggests width and height. I accept. Also export. No XZ. Export. Canvas. We already have canvas props. No mistake. Ah, oh my gosh. Okay. Export. No. Export interface. We need some drawings. Variables. need some fill color. Fill color. String. Let's what he proposes. I will accept for right now because there will be anyway more things, the properties there. Okay, const canvas canvas props with height. I need props from types. Canvas props. Canvas props. What? Consumer is type and must be imported using type only. That's already met one time. Come on. Canvas props. Is defined, never used, is never read. What it doesn't like about it. Namespace. What will you give me for this? Just 6 element. Yep, okay. I need to import G6. Import. Yes. Accept. Why it wants to do it at the top when it's supposed to be here? That's right. Return going to be here. Canvas width, accept. Okay, so canvas props width, height, canvas props height. So now we're going to header. That is obsolete now. Let's hide it for right now. We're going to import here canvas. Yeah. Canvas. Canvas here. Let's see. Like that. Never read, never used, and that has no default export. How it's not doesn't have default export? Default export. But here we didn't have such mistake. We had header. Ah, yeah, right, of course. Ooh, okay. Header. Canvas. And it's probably from the capital letter, right? Canvas. Yeah. Canvas. Capital letter. Just for noise. Here. What? Так, never read, never use it, always good. Do we have it here? Yes, we do. Ah. New file. Canvas. Dot. Module. Dot CSS. Canvas T6. We're going to do it easy. We say canvas. And background color red, just to check that it works. No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. What, you want everything simple? No, we need to do this. Accept, import, class, not source, class name, yeah, style canvas, yeah, but I don't like it. Just a second, it works now, but that would be what name it I can give to it. What name I can give to it? Oh my goodness, some simple stuff I can't answer. Okay. By its, we already gave the name to it. Header canvas. Dot header canvas. Header canvas. Now the question is why it follow from the header. I mean, it didn't fall out from header, but still. So in header we have one FR and 20 RAM, so 2 elements there. Display read. Color scheme, okay. Header. You have to have. Why I don't see? Yeah, that one. Header is not grid. What? It's supposed to be grid. Yes, it is grid. Why it's not grid? H1 grid. H1. Wait a second. Maybe. Header. WC6. Header canvas 200. Wait. Just a second. Let me think more. One day I will figure it out. Let's try to do this. Let's see what happens. It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to. Because in types. Because in header. Because in canvas. Wait, second, types. Canvas. Oh, come on. Still doesn't want to go in its place. Canvas props. Так, the type is missing info and properties, canvas props with height. It still wants to have its height. I returned it back. It's just because I commented out this line. Can you imagine? That was the problem. I created the problem for myself. So, but now it's fine. If we remove canvas model CSS red color, which should be good. Yes, we are good. Okay, further down the street we're going. So let's try to finish setting up canvas. We have return. 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 Will it tell me? No, it doesn't know. It doesn't know what we're doing. Unbelievable. How about, yeah, now you know. React, use ref. Yeah, that's what we want. Except what it doesn't like is a sign never used, never read. Here it wants to use it here. Still something doesn't like. Why? What? Okay. Why it didn't let me finish? Okay, canvas ref. Then it's going to be use effect. Where is it? Where is it? Use effect. We have canvas, except canvas ref, current, canvas ref, current. Except finish of the use effect method. I can't find use effect. Are you? What are you? Why you cannot find use effect? React. Use effect. Here you go, eat it. Eat it. Now canvas. Okay, that's good. Current const. It wants context. Yes, except so canvas getting context 2D context. I think I need 3D. I think I need 3D. Wait a second, let me leave it like that so far. We will change it later on anyway, if something. If there is no context, if actually if we're going to return if there is no context, we're going to return oh yo I just saw something. Can you imagine this? Oh shoot, stop it. Okay. Well, it is the same as that. 3 times negating. No. Okay, draw in canvas. We need to draw in canvas. Something easy, right? Let's check it first. context, light gray, fill rectangle, accept. Oh, what it does want, height and width. Nothing. Okay, how about some color? Like that, still nothing. Oh, 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 of course nothing. Of course nothing. Doesn't find it. Also, it's propagate with the choice. Why? Is possibly no. Is possibly no. Is possibly no. Oh, still nothing. Okay, but that's we're going to do this anyway. So it's just I was trying to play with this. Okay, let's finish this. We set up the canvas, so let's finish this video right now and go next for the next video next time. Subscribe, like, comment, say something hopefully good. I hope so. Bye. Have a good day.